All right, so today we are going to talk about and go through some ChatGPT blog writing SEO. So this is a ChatGPT blog writing SEO tutorial. All right, so what we're going to write about is going to be what is an anchor text. And I always recommend if you haven't already, try to like map out your content. I think it makes it a lot easier to organize it and whatnot. So we're going to write about what is an anchor text. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in Google and be a little bit more specific and try to figure out like what the competition's looking like. I just did this, but these are the first couple of results. We have SEMrush, Yoast, Moz. Now, just based off of my own knowledge, I know that this is going to be highly competitive and difficult to rank for, but we're going to go for it anyways. So it's ChatGPT. So what I'm looking for is like what's in the meta title here, best practices. You see they use best practices here. Best practices. So I'm going to say what is anchor text and best practices. That's going to be something like what the title is going to be like. And then trying to see like what order of information they have. We can just look at their table of contents here. What, why, types. Okay. Let's see what they got here. What, why, types. Okay. So it's the same thing. What, and let's see, types. Yep. So that's the kind of the structure that we want to go with. So I'm going to say, write a 1,500 word blog post about what is anchor text and best practices. Okay. And I'm going to say include a meta description in under 145 characters that defines what anchor text is. And the reason I say that is because I'm looking at this. I might have glossed over that, but I'm looking at this and I'm seeing like what is there in the descriptions. Boom, kind of just defines what it is. Great. Why? That makes sense because it just says what is anchor text. And yeah, let's see. Then I'm going to say link to, and I'm just going to pick like some random articles in here. Ironically, this is about anchor text. So I'm saying link to, let's just say like, boom. Okay, what's related to anchor text out of these topics? Let's see. Maybe what is search engine optimization might be a good one. So I'm like link to Doom. Let's pick another one. Maybe maybe if no NX is mentioned, that's a good one to have in here. And then I'm going to say another one I want to link to is my product here. And where are we at here? Let's link to my link building cheat sheet here. Which, if you haven't already, check that out. Okay. And then I'm going to say link to any brands or websites mentioned. And then what else? I think that's good. Oh, yeah, the order. The first two sections should be about one, what is anchor text, and two, why anchor text is important. All right. And then let's go. Okay. Now I didn't quite answer what I wanted for the meta description, but we'll just go ahead and throw that in here for the heck of it. Didn't quite answer it, but that's fine. At least it got it in the character count that I wanted. And while this is doing this, we're going to work on the image here. Okay, and let's see. For the, I like to say, create a blog article hero image about what is anchor text and best practices. And let's just see what happens. We can keep tweaking this. Maybe try one where it just says, what is anchor text? We probably could have just done that to make it less confusing. But all right, let's see how this is going. Understanding anchor text and its significance in SEO. That's pretty good. Nice. Let's see if the order is correct. What is good? Why? Excellent. Best practices. Types. That's good. Oh, I should have said 3 types, but that's fine. We'll just keep going. This is still writing. Thought you were done, Mr. AI. All right. No and no. Let's try again. Try again for the topic. What is anchor text? So, yeah, like Dale is great. Okay. Didn't capitalize that. Where else did this mess up? That's good. Obviously, this is actually pretty good so far. I'm pleased with how this looks. Let's go to Hemingway app. So another thing we do is we make this improve the readability. It's already a readability score of 9, which is not bad. The word count's a little light. So let's say add an FAQ and an additional section. I'm experimenting. I just want it to be longer. Okay, nice. So what we're gonna have to do is maybe take out the conclusion part. Let me see, anchor text and link building. All right, now is that repetitive, enhancing anchor text, crafting anchor text for SEO? Incorporate LSA. I think that's good. We'll figure out how to add this. Let's just copy this for now, and see what this is looking like after we paste it in here. Okay. All right. And we have a conclusion. All right. See how I did that? That was pretty funny. Okay. Hemingway, free trial. Get you a dog. Change these reds to greens. Keep the ones with bold text. Fix this one. Maybe fix this one. All right. So we got it down to 9, which is good. Borderline ChatGPT is just writing better at this point. Let's we got to take out the numbers because Shopify doesn't really copy these well. You may be able to not have to do this depending on what CMS or blog platform you're using. I think what's my favorite one? Medium does a good job of doing this to where I don't have to like do this every time. Okay. And I hate doing this every time, but whatever. Okay. All right. Now we're pretty much done with that. Let's go ahead and copy this. And when it's down to 9, I just keep it how it is. Let's go ahead and paste that in here. Okay. So we still got a little bit more work. What is anchor text? Best practices, and then 3. Oh, this actually was numbered. Okay. Let's look at the image here. What is anchor text? It's not bad. Both of these are pretty good. I don't know what the heck this is, so let's just download this one. Sure. That's not too bad. Now we got to convert this to JPEG from ChatGPT. So I use a converter here. Now we're in the image SEO process. Download. I don't change the name at this point because I'm going to use compressor to further compress the image. Boom. Great. Light file size. Excellent. Now let's get ready to upload the image. Add image. We're going to say, what is this about? Anchor text. Anchor text. Did I even spell it right? Anchor text illustration featuring a computer, a selected text on a computer, neat blue color scheme. Okay. Looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna say computer showing what is anchor text. Text. Did I spell it right? Text. Showing what is anchor text on the monitor. Illustration showing computer. So I'll kind of explain what I'm doing here. Showing computer. So what I'm trying to do actually with this is like, I want to describe it so well that even somebody that can't see this can understand what the heck's going on. So that's the original intent of image alt text in the first place. We also kind of want to throw in some keywords in there. So I'm saying illustration showing what is an anchor text. Showing what is on a computer screen. I'm going to say also highlighting example anchor text. What the heck, bro? Oh, come on, bro. Showing highlighted anchor text on a computer screen. Okay, that's probably fine for now. Anchor text on a computer screen. That's fine. Highlighting. That's pretty descriptive. Highlighting anchor text on a computer screen. I could take it even a step further and be like, blue color scheme with a blue color scheme representing the color scheme of anchor text. Blue with a blue color scheme representing the typical color scheme of anchor links. Okay, that's fine. Not spammy, very descriptive. It could have been written maybe a little bit better, but the goal here again is to, if I were to explain somebody what this is, they could borderline draw it just from me telling them. I could say, draw an illustration showing anchor text on a computer with a blue color scheme representing the typical color scheme of anchor links. Okay, if I were to just draw that, it might look something like this. I might actually have actual anchor text on the screen, but it's pretty close. All right, now let's get back to this part. We'll make that the title. And then for the meta title, I'm going to say, write a meta title for this. Write a meta title for this in under 60 characters. Include the keywords, what is an anchor text, and best practices. Boom. In fact, let's look, what do they say here? Do they say what is an anchor text? What is anchor text? Okay. Is anchor text. What is an anchor text and best practices? All right. If not, I could literally write my own. It's not bad. Best practices guide. I'm going to put 2024 at the end. Just to make this a little slightly better. Best practices guide. What is anchor text, comma. All right. Best practices guide 2024. Great. Okay, actually this does make sense because it does describe it. So this is good. And then for this, I'm going to shorten this and just say, what is anchor text? All right. Great. Okay, tags, SEO. Just add an SEO tag. I don't usually even do anything for that. Author. Oh, you can change the author on here. Oh, okay, you can't. JK. That's annoying. All right. I wish Shopify would fix that, but all right. Now let's go back to this here. Let's go back to the actual content here. All right, that's stupid. Fix that. Okay. First of all, let's highlight everything, make it black. Okay. Fast expanse of the internet. Anchor text. Okay, that part's good. What is this? Is this an H2? All right. You know, we might be able to just publish it. I think it's fine. Oh, yeah. We could re-add the bullet points here. So let's see. For this part, what do we use? Freaking numbers. I don't really remember, but we could look back at the ChatGPT thing, but that's fine. We'll just add bullets. FAQ on anchor text. Let's just say FAQs. Okay, and let's just see what this looks like. Maybe make this like an H2. Okay, and I'll make this an H2. All right, let's just see what this looks like. Hopefully this loads because I'm having some weird issue with loading the page right now. Okay, I don't know why this happens, but this happens sometimes when I'm freaking... Oh, dang it, I can't even show the final page. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, come on, no. No. Okay, hold on, let me see if I can figure this out. Okay, I'm so sorry. For some reason, I just can't seem to load the page. It has something to do with my firewall and whatnot. I need to figure that out. But the page looks good. I just looked at it on my phone. Looks nice. So yeah, this concludes this ChatGPT blog writing tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and take care. And do I have a related? The last thing I would actually look for is, do I have a related YouTube video for this? I might just post this video as the related video. That would be trippy dog. All right, y'all. Peace out.